and welcome back to Teaching Bee. My name is Megan. So today we are going to be working with making patterns. So what I did was we went ahead and got some blocks, and best way you can do this at home with your little one is something fun to do maybe over the summer break is I got these from our local library. So we're just borrowing them for a little bit until either he gets bored or we're moving on to something else. And then if we want to return back to this, then I'll make the purchase in the future. But these blocks are amazing. So what we're gonna do is we've been working on making patterns. And the first pattern we're going to do is what we have here. So the first block that we have is a yellow block. So I'm gonna take one yellow and place it down. And then the next color is green. So I'm gonna take a green block, place it right on top. The next block, the third one, is yellow, just like my headband. Take the next block, we're gonna place it right on top. And then the next color we have is green. So we're gonna take a green block and place it on top. And look what we've got so far. So far we've got yellow, green, yellow, green. What do we think the next block is in our pattern? Yellow. So we're gonna take a yellow block and place that guy right on top. And we have yellow, green, yellow, green, yellow, green. So we're gonna put green on top, and there we go, we have a pattern. Yay! And take that down, or you can knock it down. All right, so there's that one. The next one we're going to do is we're going to make shapes using color cubes. We're gonna make this shape. So it's telling us that we need red, orange, blue, red. So we're gonna grab those first. So we have red, orange, blue, and red again. Okay, so it's telling us to put two cubes at the bottom together. An orange cube and a red cube. I'm gonna take orange and a red, orange and a red, and we're gonna place them together and put them down. So what we're doing right now is we're following directions. So we're looking at instructions or picture instructions. The next thing it shows is it's gonna have blue coming on top. So we're gonna put the blue right on top. And then the next color is red. So it looks like a tower. How cool is that? Or what my son said, it looks like a rocket. All right, so we can take that apart. And what else can we do with these cubes with your toddlers at home? Well, we can create cube trains. Yeah. So if anybody loves trains, loves working with different colors, this is a great coordination for colors, putting together a certain amount of cubes, and then essentially we're gonna make a train. So in this one, we're gonna use a couple of reds. We're gonna use a couple of blues. So we're gonna do 2 red cubes to start our train, okay? And we're gonna do 3 blue cubes for our train. Now to make it an actual train, we have to connect them. So we're gonna connect our 2 blue and our 3 red. Our 2 red and our 3 blue. And we're gonna put them together. And now we have a train. And how many do we have in our train? Well, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 cubes to make our train. So that's another fun activity we can do. And work with all different colors. Another project we can do is adding with cube trains. So doing different colors. So again, learning colors, counting, and this time we're gonna be adding them together. So we are going to take, let's see, we could do 4 blue cubes. And we're gonna do, my favorite color is yellow, so we're gonna do 1 yellow cube. And we wanna know how many in all does that add together? Addition. Well, if we put them all together and count them out, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 4 blues plus 1 yellow makes 5 cubes all together. How cool is that? And we can do it with all different colors, all different numbers, whatever you want to do. How fun is that? All right, then we can do subtracting the cubes trains. So same kind of thing, but this time we're going to be learning to take away. And again, this is something that's fun, that's visual, that we're playing with cubes and we're working with colors and counting. So we are going to do, let's do my favorite color, yellow. So we got 4 yellow cubes. Let's do 2 red cubes. So all together right now we have 6. We're working with 6 cubes. And what we want to do is we want to take away the colors that don't match. So we're going to take away the 2 red cubes. So how many did that leave us with just the yellow cubes? Well, that left us with 4 yellow cubes. So we know we can put that together in a sentence. That's 6, take away 2, gives us 4. Yay! All right. And what else? There's so many different cool things that we can do with blocks or with cubes or with whatever you have in the house. I mean, you can even do this with crayons. You can do it with colored straws, with colored goldfish. If you just want to do any household items will work. So another cool thing that we can do is working with even and odd numbers. So we have 1 cube, and the working with even and odd numbers is if we can place everything into pairs of 2, then it's an even number. Well, this little guy is all alone, and we can't pair it with another one because this is the only one that we have. So number 1, or 1 cube, is an odd number. Then we can take 2 blue cubes, and because we can pair it together, and there's nothing else to pair before and after, this is an even number. So 2 is an even number. Then if we take 3 cubes, we can place these 2 in a block of 2. Like I said, to do it an even number, we have to pair all of them in pairs of 2. But then this little guy, whoa, doesn't have an extra pair to pair with, a little friend. So this is an odd number. All right, let's do blue again. So we have 4 blues, and let's pair them each with a friend. So we can pair these 2 with a friend and these 2 with a friend. And that's all there is because that equals to the 4. So all of them are with the pair, which makes 4 an even number. How fun is that? All right, so the last, or not the last, I'm sure there's many other things that we can do with these cubes. But another fun thing that we can do is make shapes, and working again with using instructions, working with colors, working with hand skills, also working on counting. So in this case, it says we need a red, yellow, and a blue on the bottom. So we have 3 on the bottom. Then it says we need a green, and oopsies, a green and a yellow. Ooh, see, I need to follow my instructions. And they go on top of our yellow, red, and blue, like so. And then on top we have a blue cube. So blue cube is gonna go right on top. And we have this picture, or this pattern, matches the one that we have down below. How cool is that? All right, so we're gonna put all of our cubes away, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye, have a great day.